Okay, here's our revised drawing for the garage. So the garage door track is at roughly 87 inches. It changes because the slope of the garage floor, it's at a 2% slope, but roughly 87 inches. So if we look at these cabinets in the elevation view and measure from the bottom, 87 inches is roughly right here. So in the middle of maybe a third of the way up the sliding door. So if we start the sliding door at the track, we have a very skinny opening. Maybe 10, 11 inches is the opening minus the inside cabinet height. So inside of that opening would be 10 inches. So I think it's a better layout if we have the bottom of the sliding doors at an estimated 81 inches, and that way the inside opening height, as we can see here, is 17 5/8, and the inside opening is 46 1/2. So going over this, 4 cabinets, 48 inches wide. The shelves, these are pretty wide shelves, so these are going to be 1 inch thick melamine shelves. Now if you load them up with 200 pounds of items, they're still going to bow, but we can, that's as thick as that melamine is to prevent sagging. The cabinets over the washer and dryer. The washer and dryer is 30 inches deep. The cabinets above them are 28 inches deep, as we talked about, just to bring them out pretty much flush. The front of these washers and dryers aren't perfectly straight, but flush with the front. This cabinet would not have a wood top, so we would need to think through this a little bit more on the storage with this cabinet to maximize getting those umbrellas in there. There aren't any shelves, no top, just to store those umbrellas. The pantry cabinet, we have 9 shelves in here, counting the bottom, and you can see the spacing, 10 and 9/16 roughly. And the wall, the window wall. So these 2 cabinets are the same size on the opposite wall. This is the Craftsman tool chest, and then these 2 cabinets right here. So the window sill does go below the top deck of this countertop. Just white melamine cabinets, and on the right side of this one we could put a little door for with the cat there, but we can work on how that would lay out. So this is what we have, and we can look at the height of these cabinets. These floor to ceiling cabinets, from the floor to the top of the cabinets, 99 1/2 inches. So before we start in on this, I do a final measurement, and these cabinet widths and heights might change slightly, but this is pretty close to what we would end up going with. So let me know what you think of this, and we can take it from there. Thank you.